नमस्कार, मैं कमलेश वर्मा आप सभी का के न्यूज ग्रुप में स्वागत करता हूं। जस्टिस राकेश मोहन पांडे ने कृषि सहकारी साख समिति के अधिकारियों को पद से हटाए जाने के राज्य शासन के 20 दिसंबर 2023 के आदेश पर रोक लगाई है। इसे प्राकृतिक न्याय के विरुद्ध माना है और उन्हें कोई भी अपनी बात कहने का अवसर नहीं दिया गया है। इस पूरे मामले में यह बात समझ में आ रही है कि राजनीतिक परिदृश्य बदलने के बाद पूर्व के अधिकारियों को हटाने की कार्रवाई की जा रही है। इससे धान खरीदी के पीकावर में नए अधिकारियों को बैठाया जाना जनता के हित में नहीं होना उन्होंने माना है। इस पूरे मामले में उन्होंने क्या कहा है सुनिए। इस संबंध में सुनील साहू सहित अन्य 9 याचिकाएं पेश की गई थी, जिसमें बिलासपुर, सारंगगढ़ और बलौदाबाजार जिला के सहकारी साख समिति शामिल है।
अलग अलग ही करिएगा। The petitioner, who is member of primary Krishi Sakh Cooperative Committee Limited, Block Bilaigarh, District Sarangarh, Bilaigarh. He was appointed as authorized officer according to the provisions of Section 49, Kustak 8 of CG Cooperative Societies Act 1960. White order dated 20/12/2023 by the Registrar Cooperative Societies. The election of the cooperative societies is due, but surprisingly, without affording any opportunity of hearing and without issuing any notice, the Deputy Registrar Cooperative Societies Baloda the Joint Registrar Cooperative Societies Bilaspur Division Bilaspur has issued order dated 20 पहले वाला का ऑर्डर दूसरा था ना, पहले वाले 20/12/2023 has appointed Sri K.V. Vare, Senior Cooperative Inspector as authorized officer according to provisions of Section 49, Kostak 8 of Cooperative Society. Sahu would further submit that a resolution was also passed by the members of committee in favor of the petitioner. Therefore, the order dated 20/12/2023 is arbitrary one and liable to be stayed. On the other hand, Mr. Jha as well as Mr. Srivastava would oppose. आप भी अपोज कर रहे हैं? ठीक है, Mr. Rahul Jha would oppose. Mr. Rahul Jha, Sri K.V. Vare is a government official and he has been appointed as authorized officer. Therefore, no case is made out for grant of stay. I have heard a person who, in his opinion, has experience in managing a cooperative bank or cooperative society. And such officer or person may be specified as prescribed officer, authorized officer for period specified by the registrar or till the elections are held. In the present case, the registrar, exercising power under Section 49(8) of the Act 1960, had notified the petitioner as authorized officer, and without assigning any reason and without affording any opportunity of hearing, the Joint Registrar has appointed a government official as authorized officer. Full stop. The order appears to be arbitrary and violative of principles of natural justice. Therefore, till the next date of hearing, there shall be stay of effect and operation of order dated 20/12/2023.